the second one. Okay, 137. Number of minimum mention, 1. Number of winner, let's go 2 because that's what we're doing. All right, let's see what this does. Hopefully it doesn't pick the same person twice. If it does, I'll just have to find another one. All right, so the first one is Milo, which I expected because he commented like 1,000 times. Where's the second one though? It doesn't show me the second one, so I'll have to go back and do another one real quick. Let me go back to that. Hopefully it will give me someone besides Milo. And I'll do one winner because I already have the first one. The second one didn't show up, so no loss there. And now it's not telling me a second winner. What the heck? That's annoying. Okay. Why won't this tell me? Alright, maybe this will work again if I do 2. But maybe it already used up the free one. See, it's not giving me the freaking thingy. Alright, let me see if I can find another one real quick so I can pick a second winner. This is not how I wanted it to go. Tags 1. It says get unique users. Okay. Hopefully this works. This looks like pretty promising. What is this crap? No one cares, man. Give me the winner. Like I can't move. I don't know what this is talking about. Okay. Okay, so let's go. The second winner is gonna be Josian8892. So let's go with him and let's go with Milo. As long as they both follow the rules, we're good to go. Obviously the rules are right here, unlimited entries, comment below, and then make sure to follow. So let's go Milo. Following me, following Kaiweets. Okay, so he's good to go. Now let's go back to the other guy, which I forgot his name already. Josian8892. Oops. Josian8892. As long as he follows us both, then he is good to go. So he's following me. See? All right, he's following both of us. Okay, there's our winners. So just sign 8892 right there, and Milo, which I already backed out of. So those are the winners. Thank you guys so much for participating. I will send you your guys' information on to Kaiweets, and then you guys can talk it out from there and get your prizes. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate it. Congrats to the winners, and I'll see you guys back in the next one. Peace.